Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to connect your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip7 to a monitor using HDMI cable to get the Samsung DeX mode. Let's begin with the fact that you need to have the Samsung Z Flip7, of course, or Z Fold 7. Unfortunately, Z Flip7 FE isn't supported. The FE version is the cheaper version. That is the outer display on it. If you don't know which one you got, the outer display here doesn't look like this. Instead, the cameras aren't a punch hole on the cheaper version. There are a sort of notch like that. So there's this like bigger borders, way bigger borders than on this one. And that's how you can recognize your model. So now once you know that you have the Z Flip7 or Z Fold 7, Z Fold 7 is this like big one. You can simply connect it in two different methods to a monitor. There's USB-C cable. USB-C is quite good for it, and there is a whole lot of other video on USB-C connection. I explain more details there. It can charge your phone at the same time and output video to the monitor. That's quite great. But also your monitor has to support it and you need to have a proper cable. Now about HDMI, it is a bit easier because most monitors support HDMI, and if they don't, you can of course do it in different methods. I'll explain it shortly. So your phone only has the USB-C. You can see I have USB-C connected, and that's actually an adapter. I'll disconnect it. You can see the display goes dark. I have a hub. This is called a hub. On one end, it's USB-C that can be connected to my phone, to my laptop, to many different devices. And on the other end, it has lots of different ports. A USB-C data port, some two USB-A ports, an HDMI port, which is the most important here, and also power delivery input so I can charge my phone. Now there's also Ethernet cable, which we won't need. The most important is of course the HDMI. You can just get an adapter that's just USB-C to HDMI, or USB-C to DisplayPort if your monitor supports DisplayPort, or USB-C to VGA even, or DVI. Whatever you need, you can get an adapter for it. So you just need to know what your monitor supports. Now, to connect it, we'll also need an HDMI to HDMI cable. And I have it right here. On the other end, it's already plugged into the monitor, so I won't show you that, but it is plugged in. And all you need to do in that way is simply plug your adapter into the phone, then plug the HDMI cable into the adapter. Now it is connected. Most probably it'll show automatically. If it doesn't, then we're gonna solve that later. But also I'll tell you that there are cables on the market that are, for example, USB-C on one end, and on the other end it's the HDMI or DisplayPort or VGA even, or DVI, whatever. So you don't really need an adapter if you have a cable that on one end is USB-C and on the other one is something that your monitor supports, because many monitors don't support USB-C, especially the cheaper or older models. Now, also why I've chosen this hub is because I can connect a wired keyboard if I want, but of course you can connect it via Bluetooth to your phone, or not use the keyboard at all. I'll show you that in a moment. Now, another reason why I've chosen this hub is so I can charge my phone. You can see I'm currently at 15%. You can see it in the bottom right corner of the monitor. If I plug a cable into the port that says PD, which means power delivery, Let's wait a moment until it actually finds it. You can see it is charging. So that's where it gets really useful. Then I'll show you the screen of the phone. I entered the mirrored mode, and this is what will show up if the desktop, a typical computer desktop, doesn't show up. So if you have a thing like this, you should go to the settings application, then go to connected devices. Now go to Samsung DeX, connected display, and select extended. Now it is like that. Now if you want to use a touchpad on your phone, because your phone can function as a touchpad, slide down from the left top part of your screen to see notifications and click on use your phone as a touchpad. Now my phone is indeed a touchpad. But what if I want to rotate it so it's vertical? It's much more comfortable that way. If you want to do it, you may see this little sign. I can't really see it myself, but maybe you will see it. This very little sign right here in the very top right corner. Once you double tap on it, it switches to vertical. Now if I hold my phone like this, you can see it is working in vertical right now. So I think that comes pretty handy. Now you can do whatever you want here. You can go to settings, you can go to like apps, different apps, honestly. You can use a browser or open some Gmail or stuff like that, notes. It is very useful, and whenever you need to type something in, a keyboard will show up on the screen, so you don't need to worry about that. But of course it's way more comfortable to use it with an actual physical keyboard. So if you have that, either for USB and if you have the hub with USB or a Bluetooth one, then feel free to connect it. And that will be about it for the video. Feel free to check out more videos about Samsung DeX on our channel, and see you in the next one.